Hello, I'm Pat O'Hare, Chief Market Analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Monday, February 9th. Stocks closed a relatively quiet session, modestly higher as market participants continue awaiting Treasury's bank rescue plan. Though the advance was only modest, the takeaway from this session is largely positive. Investors were made to wait one more day for Treasury's bank bailout plan. The plan will be announced at 11 o'clock Eastern Time Tuesday. Though less likely to have an immediate impact on the financial sector or capital markets, market participants are also still waiting for the Senate to pass the more comprehensive economic recovery plan. Senators are expected to vote on an $827 billion spending and tax cut plan early this week. The plan still has to be reconciled with that which was already approved by the House of Representatives. Financial stocks continue to benefit as investors move into the sector ahead of tomorrow's announcement from the Treasury Department. The financial sector closed 1.3% higher, with leadership from diversified financial services companies and regional banks. Insurers also showed strength after Treasury indicated insurers will have access to TARP funds. Shares of General Electric made their best single-session gain in 2 months. There wasn't a particular news item underpinning the move, but many analysts point to the exposure of the firm's capital business to financial markets as a reason for the renewed interest. GE provided support to the Dow, S&P 500, and industrial stocks, which bested every other sector with a 2.6% gain. The energy sector, up 0.1%, and the technology sector, up 0.3%, were able to finish in the green. Energy advanced even though crude oil futures prices closed 1.8% lower at $39.42 per barrel. Crude had been up as much as 5.6% after officials from OPEC indicated supply cuts could take place. Despite lower oil prices, select oil and gas equipment companies gained after Reuters reported an analyst at Goldman Sachs issued upgrades on certain industry players. As a group, oil and gas equipment companies finished 0.8% higher. Large cap technology provided continued strength to the technology sector and the NASDAQ 100. Their influence limited losses in the broader NASDAQ composite, which was unchanged, helping it preserve its year-to-date gain of 0.9%. Earnings news was rather light and had little impact on the session's mood. Whirlpool announced lower earnings that were partly weighed down by charges. The company also issued downside guidance. Rohm and Haas announced better than expected fourth quarter adjusted earnings and issued a statement that Dow Chemical has not been focusing on the necessary steps to complete its acquisition of Rohm and Haas. The major indices all finished the session near the neutral line. Though a quiet session, market participants should view it positively since stocks have thus far held on to gains registered in recent sessions. Stocks are still up 4.5% over the course of the last 3 trading days. I'm Pat O'Hare for Briefing.com. Thanks for listening.